While this is called the Greek Theatre, it's actually Roman architecture that we see here, which was built in around the 1st century AD, though there is evidence of a Greek theatre that existed here about 200, 300 years prior to that. Oh, I should say that that information could be completely wrong because there was no English guidebooks in the bookstore, so it was an Italian guidebook I used. A little bit of a German one as well. And architecture aside, these views are spectacular. Although I think Mount Etna is in the clouds there and we can't see it. I'm gonna drink beer out of wine glasses from now on.
It's the best food we've had in Italy since we've been here. I'm so happy.
Bellissimo!